What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break NL, and we are going for our Raz, McDavid Mania Raz. Do our live. Good luck. Top name after 4 is going to go ahead and get it done. Clay to Clay. Everybody in between. Good luck, folks. Here we go. It is 11:39 in Newfoundland. Here's your list. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 11:39. Just turned 11:40. Oops. All right, just turned 11:40. Last and final random here, guys. Good luck. Top name is going to take it home. And there you go, Michael Remerchuk. Spot number 6. Congrats, Michael. You took home the McDavid Mania box. Hoping it's a good one. Let's get your timestamp.
Every kid can achieve their dreams.
Fourth and final timestamp, 11:40. And 11:40 it is. So congratulations, Michael. Spot 6 done for you, man. We'll see you soon for your box, and we'll do a couple more of these in the next few days.